and welcome to Generac Service Training. In this video, we're going to talk about maintaining a generator. Regular maintenance will improve performance and extend engine and equipment life. In adverse conditions, however, more frequent service will be required. Let's first talk about cleaning a generator. Dirt or debris can cause improper operation and/or equipment damage, so be sure to clean the generator before each use. Use a damp cloth to wipe the exterior surfaces clean. Low pressure air may be used to blow away loose debris. Inspect the cooling air slots and openings on the generator. These openings must be kept clean and unobstructed. Keep the area around and behind the muffler free from combustible debris. And do not use a garden hose or power washer to clean your generator. Water can enter the engine fuel system and cause serious problems. Also, if water enters the generator through the cooling air slots, it will damage the electrical components. So now let's talk about your oil and filter as part of maintenance. To maintain the product warranty, the engine oil should be serviced in accordance with the recommendations of the owner's manual. For your convenience, maintenance kits designed and intended for use on any of our product can be found at Generac.com. Inspect the engine oil level prior to each use or every 8 hours of operation. Remove the oil filler cap and wipe the dipstick clean. Screw the dipstick into its filler neck, remove it, and verify that the oil level is within its safe operating range. Add fresh oil as necessary. When using your generator under extreme, dirty, dusty conditions or in extremely hot weather, you will need to change the oil more frequently. Before attempting to change the oil, be sure the engine has cooled sufficiently. Do not overfill the crankcase. Oil capacity specifications for your generator are located in the owner's manual. Properly dispose of used oil and the filter in accordance with applicable regulations, and you can return used oil to most any waste oil collection center near you. Let's now check the air filter. The engine will not run properly with a dirty air filter. If the generator is being operated in a dirty or dusty condition, you'll need to service the air filter more frequently. Now let's talk about checking the spark plug. Clean the area around the spark plug. Remove and inspect the spark plug. Inspect the electrode gap and reset it to its specification. Replace the spark plug if the electrodes are pitted, burned, or if the porcelain is cracked. For recommended replacement plug and proper gap, see the specifications found in the owner's manual. Now let's talk about battery maintenance. If the generator is an electric start, the battery that was shipped with the generator has been fully charged. Now, a battery may lose some charge when not in use for prolonged periods of time and may have to be charged before attempting to start it. Run the generator and it will charge the battery. Let's talk about valve clearance. Check valve clearance after the first 50 hours of operation. Now, if you're uncomfortable about performing this procedure, or if the proper tools are not available, take your generator to the nearest Generac authorized service center and have them adjust the valves for you. The adjustment specifications are located in the owner's manual. Now let's prepare it for storage. Stored fuel can go bad and damage the engine and fuel system components. To keep fuel fresh, use a commercially available fuel stabilizer. If fuel stabilizer is added to the fuel system, run the engine for 10 to 15 minutes to circulate the stabilizer throughout the fuel system. Adequately prepared fuel can be stored up to 24 months. However, untreated fuel may only last 30 to 90 days. If the fuel has not been treated with a fuel stabilizer, an alternate method may be used for long-term storage. To begin, the fuel tank must be drained into an improved container. Once the fuel system is drained, run the engine until it stops from lack of fuel. Continuing with storage preparation, you'll also want to change the engine oil and filter. Then, remove the spark plug. Pour a tablespoon, about 5 to 10 cc's of clean engine oil or spray a suitable fogging agent into the cylinder. Pull the starter recoil several times to distribute the oil throughout the cylinder. Reinstall the spark plug and pull the recoil slowly until resistance is felt. This will close the valve so no moisture can enter the cylinder. Go to Generac.com or contact a Generac independent authorized service dealer for replacement parts. All required service and adjustments should be performed each season as detailed in your owner's manual. Also, we recommend that maintenance work be performed by a Generac independent authorized service dealer. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Generac Service Training, we believe knowledge is power.